You sat down to work. You had the time, you had the plan, you even had the coffee ready. 3 hours later, you had watched 12 videos, reorganized your desk, and done everything except the actual work. And the worst part is you are not lazy. You work hard when you finally start. You care about the outcome more than most people around you. So why does your brain keep doing this to you? Here is the truth nobody tells you. Procrastination is not a character flaw. It is a brain wiring problem. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to rewire it. No motivation speeches, no productivity apps, just science that actually works. And make sure you stay for number 3, because that one is the reason most people never escape the procrastination loop, no matter how hard they try. 7. Your brain literally hates starting. You keep waiting to feel ready before you start. That feeling never comes, and it never will. Neuroscientist Dr. Timothy Cycle at Carleton University found that the brain registers starting a task the same way it registers physical pain. It actively tries to escape it. So instead of waiting to feel motivated, use the 2-minute rule. Start the task for just 2 minutes. Tell your brain that is all it has to do. Once you start, the pain signal drops and momentum takes over. The people ignoring this are still waiting to feel ready at age 40. 6. You are rewarding yourself backwards. You promise yourself a reward after you finish the hard thing. Sounds logical, completely wrong. A 2014 study from the University of Chicago published in the Journal of Consumer Research found that attaching enjoyment to the process of working, not the outcome, reduces avoidance behavior by 52%. So put your favorite music on while you work. Drink something you enjoy only during focused sessions. Make the act of working the reward. Your brain cannot hate something it associates with pleasure. Stop dangling carrots at the finish line and put them on the path instead. 5. Your environment is making you weak. You think you lack discipline. You do not. Your environment is just designed to destroy focus. Dr. B.J. Fogg at Stanford University spent 20 years studying behavior design and found that humans do not rise to their intentions. They fall to the level of their environment every single time. So remove friction from the thing you should do and add friction to the thing you should not. Phone in another room. Laptop open on the right tab before you sit down. Make the good behavior the easiest possible option. Your brain will follow the path of least resistance, whether you design that path or not. 4. You are thinking too big, and that is killing you. Every time you sit down, you are trying to finish the whole thing. Your brain looks at the whole thing, calculates how painful it will be, and immediately suggests you do it tomorrow instead. Classic. Psychologists call this task aversion, and it is documented extensively in Dr. Fuchsia Sirois's research at the University of Sheffield. Break the task into the smallest possible unit. Not write the report. Write 1 paragraph. Not study for the exam. Read 1 page. Your brain cannot avoid something that takes 3 minutes. It can avoid everything else. 3. You are sleeping on implementation intentions. You say you will do it later. Later is not a time. Research by Dr. Peter Gollwitzer at New York University found that people who wrote down exactly when and where they would complete a task were 91% more likely to actually do it compared to people who just intended to. So right now, after this video, write down, I will do this specific task at this specific time in this specific place. 1 sentence. That 1 sentence doubles your chance of following through, not journaling, not vision boarding. 1 sentence with a when and a where. 2. Your phone is physically restructuring your brain. This one is not a metaphor. Neuroscientist Dr. Gloria Mark at the University of California, Irvine found that after a phone interruption, it takes an average of 23 minutes to return to deep focus. Every notification is not just a distraction, it is a 23-minute tax on your brain. Put your phone in a different room during work sessions. Not face down on the desk. Different room. Your brain cannot miss what it cannot see. If you are reading this on your phone right now, this tip is personally targeting you and you know it. 1. The 2-minute rule actually works. Everything else on this list means nothing if you never start. Dr. Timothy Feikel's research at Carleton University confirms it repeatedly. Action comes before motivation, never after. Stop waiting for the feeling. Open the document. Write the first word. Set the timer for 2 minutes and begin. That is the entire secret. Your brain will handle the rest once the starting pain disappears. The procrastination loop does not break itself. You break it by moving first and feeling ready second, and that is number one. Start before you are ready, right now, today, not after one more video. Use the 2-minute rule on the thing you have been avoiding longest. Tell yourself 2 minutes. That is the whole trick. Your brain will do the rest once you force the start. If this made sense to you, subscribe. The next video will hit harder. And if you close this app and do nothing with what you just learned, your future self already knows exactly who to blame.